river at 7 kilometers from here on the slave road. So they bring the water back and then pour it on this jar. And now it will be mixed with some liquids. So they just mix it together. They mix it like they just pour it on the ground. That's how they do the purification. But nowadays they choose postmenopausal. They are legal rules. So here, this is the cemetery realm, so this is where they are buried. They are like fighters. So the place is sacred, we can't go there. Because when we let them out also, they mistakenly get killed by motorbikes when we let them out to go and hunt themselves. So when they die, they live as long as human beings, but they can also die by getting home. So here is the sanctuary. And today it is closed because today is not a market day, that's why the door is closed. So the sanctuary embodies the Python spirit, and only the worshippers have access to it. And it's built in 1717. It has more than 300 years, but just in 1992 they put the steel outside on it and checked the roof also to something like that. But here they also have some prohibitions or some laws for the worshippers, like what? No shoes. This is an Iroko tree and it has more than 400 years.
Wow.
So dead or alive, it stays sacred here. That's why every market day it receives offering, like palm oil, palm flour. They also kill goat or sheep when happens for some, just to pray for their ancestors.
Okay.
So here we have the male and the female pythons here. The male python is called Tambukbong. The male is short, but the female is called Tambukdre. The female is longer than the male. That's the difference. So behind you here, Tambukbong is the male, Tambukdre is the female. So in Ouidah, to recognize the worshippers of the pythons, they also have scars on their faces. 2 scars on their fronts, 2 on each temple, and 2 on each sticks. And it's just to resemble the pythons that they do these scars. Because the pythons, they have small holes around their toes. 5 holes at the right side and 5 at the left side. So I'm not a worshipper, that's why I don't have scars on my face. Here, this is how they do these scars also. 2 here. So all these scars make 10. Alright, so this is this first.
So how do you feel carrying this snake?
It feels nice. Just cool.
Very still.
Very still. The snake is calm.
So
So female python.
okay.
Female python, royal pythons. It's the royal python.
Okay.
So here we don't have boa or anything like that. You can swallow and strangle the male. Strangle and swallow the
So the purification. So what do you do with
So it's
the?
normal water. We put hyssop leaf inside. Hyssop is just we just put it inside. Hyssop is used for purification.
Okay. So once you are purified, you can carry the python.
The python is supposed to have to be in some conditions before we
Okay.
We don't know how you get here, how you spend your life.